Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there is a very good hiring which is coming here from Capgemini. So basically you can say it's a breaking news, right? And this particular hiring is happening through Superset platform, Capgemini XLR hiring 2024-2025. Friends, hiring through Superset will be always genuine, right? And anyway, on our platform, whatever opportunity you will get will be genuine, okay? So we will not be sharing some kind of form link where your data is getting stolen and sold to multiple people. Anyway, so now before we proceed with this, because many of you are facing problem with login, right, with applying, all those things we will discuss. Before that, friends, I want you to please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. The reason is, friends, see any kind of preparation videos, any kind of hiring videos, right? So each and everything you will be getting it through our channel. So you can see here, so we are also having this live classes, right? So continuously live classes are there for any examination, right? How you have to prepare, how you have to attempt, right? And then your, videos with respect to hiring. So each and everything we are doing it for all of you. So you do not have to worry at all. Now, friends, this particular Superset hiring, if you'll see, this is for the batch of only 2024 and 2025. Software engineer, Capgemini XLR, right? Okay. So this is happening pan-India, means throughout the India. Now, friends, many times what happens, right? So when you go and apply, so you will not be able to redirect to that particular page, right? Okay. So the problem is, because this kind of hirings generally, right, it will be happening for the premium colleges first, and then it will be happening for the other colleges, what you say tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So if your college are eligible for this particular hiring, then only you will be able to apply, right? So this should be very, very clear that why you are not able to see that particular page of hiring, right? Okay, or you are not able to apply. So software engineer, Capgemini XLR 2024-2025, and application deadline by 6th of October only you will be able to apply, okay? And friends, they are hiring for 3 different roles. So already if you'll go to our channel, right? So here if you'll go and see, so for Capgemini already we have made many videos where you will be, if you come down in the videos, right? So for Capgemini I had made one separate video, right? So even Capgemini question asked on 19th of September 2024, that also we have done that, right? And then Capgemini 13/9/2024 exam experience, exam pattern changed, total 6 rounds are there. So for everything we have already videos for you. You do not have to worry at all. You just have to go and see. You will be able to understand each and everything, right? Okay. So for Cognizant also, every company we are doing, okay? So we are not leaving any company. So for everything we are doing something. So I will put this particular link of, right, this one Capgemini things in the description so that it will be easy for you. Fine. Now, so friends, they have like for 3 profile, analyst, right, senior analyst, and here analyst differential hiring. So for analyst, the package will be basically 4.25 lakhs per annum, where 4 lakhs will be your fixed salary, 25k will be one-time bonus or incentive, you can say. Analyst role, so differential hiring 5.75 lakhs per annum. So for analyst and senior analyst, you will have to write the coding round. So 5.5 lakhs per annum plus 25k one-time incentive. For senior analyst, 7.5 lakhs per annum will be the salary. Job description they have given, right? And one important thing which you will be able to read here. So Capgemini is hiring the best technical emerging graduate of the top engineering colleges to join us and become an integral part of our workforce. Now, friends, I don't know how many of you are watching from the top engineering colleges, because there are many students from NIT. So they also watch our videos, right? Okay. So if your college is eligible, you will be able to apply. If not, you will not be able to apply. In that case, you will have to wait for the other opportunity. Friends, many off-campus hiring is going to happen, okay? And so these are the things which you don't have to read. So this hiring is basically for BE, Btech, ME, Mtech, all specialization. So that is one good thing with Capgemini. So Capgemini basically give chance to all the, graduates basically. So see, many company will tell BE, Btech, CS, IT, electronics, that's all. But Capgemini will tell BE, Btech, ME, Mtech, all branches I am making it eligible. MCA, MSC, CSIT. So for MSc it is CSIT specialization, right? So friend, this is what is the complete hiring. And if you want to register, you need to click on register now, and then you have to fill your email ID, and you will be redirected to that particular apply page if your college is eligible. Otherwise you will be not be able to go to this particular page, right? So I hope this is giving you the complete clarity. So you can wait for the next hirings. There are multiple hirings are happening already. We are uploading the videos of the particular hiring. Don't miss any kind of opportunity. Stay updated with us. We are going to help you with whatever you require to get placed in a IT company. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. So we are going to meet soon in the next video.